Hey guys, how you doing? Majid's here. Hi again. Today I'm gonna teach you the best technique in the world, in the whole world, to talk like a Native American speaker. Let's go. So I've been teaching English for more than 11 years now, and I've been using this technique a lot. A lot of students, they just tell me that, hey teacher, I don't have time to, study. I don't have time to write. I don't have time to practice. This technique helped them a lot. It's easy. You can do it like anywhere and anytime that you have, especially those students that they, have lack of time. They don't have time. They can use this because it's fun, it's easy, and come on, you're gonna enjoy that. It's just amazing. So, drum roll, please. Oh, my Siri.
It doesn't look like you have an app named Drumroll. You can search for it in the App Store.
Okay, my Siri went drum rolled. So, so the technique that I'm going to teach you is shadowing. Yes, the shadowing technique. So classy. So, the shadowing technique, what is it? I'm gonna teach you step by step. And you can do this. So, the shadowing technique. Oh, it's the first time that I'm just talking to you like this, and it's just new to me. So, forgive me. Hey, it's just fun, you know? Like, in previous videos, I was talking like with a student, like I was talking to Tara or Sarah, but right now I'm all alone, so it's new to me. Yeah, shadowing technique. Hey, I'm sorry. Like us, like English teachers, we talk a lot. I'm sorry for that. So yeah. What is the shadowing technique? Yeah, it's a very fun technique to practice English. The first step is to choose a series, or a movie, or like a cartoon. It can be anything that you're okay with. But I recommend to start with like very for like basic series, like Extra English or English Today, or like I forgot the other one's name. Yeah, but I recommend Extra English for like all my students, because when you just start learning English, the best series that you can use is not Friends, it's not How I Met Your Mother. No, it's Extra English. Why? Because they actually made this series for learning English. I'm not gonna spoil for you guys, but the whole concept of this series is that there's a guy. He comes to a place and he doesn't know how to speak English, and the others, they're trying to teach him English. So you can just put yourself in this first character and you're gonna learn. So what is shadowing technique? The first step is to choose a series. If you're a beginner, if you're just starting learning, it's just to start learning English, the best series for you is just Extra English. If you can talk a little, but not perfect, again, trust me, watch Extra English. But if you can talk, like if you're intermediate level or upper intermediate level, you can watch This Is Us, like the best series for you guys. Hey, is it recording? Yeah, I was checking. Yeah, I'm just so casually just connected with you guys. So yeah, for intermediate level, This Is Us. You're gonna love it. This is the best series for intermediate level. And it kind of helps you to fix your, dilemmas, to fix your, I don't know, like your dramas in your life. and it's like a therapy session actually. Yeah. And for advanced level, I recommend Suits. Yeah. Meghan Markle series, like Duchess. Or if you're into like sitcoms, like want to laugh with this series, you can watch How I Met Your Mother, or what was the name? Big Bang Theory. Yeah, Big Bang Theory. Sheldon Cooper. I love it. Hilarious. So you can use like these series first, then you can watch it simply. Yeah, but no, there's a thing, the shadowing technique. Imagine that your episode, okay, it's 20 minutes, right? In 20 minutes of the series, you may have like 7, 8, 9, or 10 expression or words that you think it's very common, you'll use it in your daily conversations, and it's just good for you to know. So you write them like in the notebook, okay? So, but no, not in the shadowing technique. That's why I love the shadowing techniques, because you don't need anything. You just use your cell phone or your laptop or your TV to watch the series, and whenever you faced an expression that you may use, you pause and you imitate, you like repeat the dialogue after the actor or the actresses. Like imagine like the Joey and Friends says, "How you doing?" You may say in your own like culture or in your own, accent, "How are you doing?" Like, or you can say like, "How are you doing?" Like this. This is not native. How are you doing? You're talking like a robot. If you're talking like this, you're talking like a robot. When you're trying to communicate with people in your romance life, in your love life, in your work life, there's not going to be a balance. People not going to connect with you because you cannot talk properly. So, for talking like a native speaker, you have to delete the accent, delete the mother tongue that you were speaking before, and start a new chapter with this like episode of my channel, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm kidding. So you repeat the actor or the actresses dialogue after them. When the Joey said, "How you doing? How you doing?" You will repeat, "How you doing?" exactly like the actor or the actresses, okay? Exactly like them. This is the point. This is the whole point. At first, you may, talk bad. You may repeat bad. You know it's bad. You know it's not right. You know it's not correct. So, but it's okay. In your mind, you're trying, okay? And in your mind, you said it good. And in your mind, you said it perfect. So that's okay. So try to repeat the actors and pause, repeat, pause, repeat, pause, repeat, one after another, okay? Do that for like 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, even 20 times, okay? And do it for just 8 expressions in the whole series, okay? Not for like every expression is like pause, pause, no. Just for 8 or 9 or 10 for a like series that lasts just 20 minutes, okay? So yeah, do that. And if you want to, you can write it down. But if you don't, it's okay. Yeah, you can write it down on paper and memorize it. I always tell my students to practice each expression. They may write 20 something, around 20 expressions or words or collocations on their notebooks. But I mean, each night, they're practicing and practicing this 20 words and expressions. It may like take 5 minutes for them, you know? You know why? Because it's all about repetition and it's all about consistency. You're not gonna learn whole language in just one night, okay? So practice makes perfect. You have to practice 5 minutes every night, 5 minutes every night, 5 minutes every night. And after 100 days, and after 200 days, and after, 6 months, 3 months, yeah, you're gonna see the change. You're gonna see the change and you're gonna enjoy. When you're communicating with people, that's perfect. When you're talking to your partner and you're saying things to your partner, in English, and she's like, or he's like, oh, you touched my heart. Then you're gonna thank me. And yeah, you're gonna need this, guys. You're gonna need this. And believe me, this technique is the best. I just wrote it down in the description below. Read it and make sure to ask me in the comments your questions. If you have a question, ask me in the comments. I will reply. Believe me. Yeah, that was all about today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to watch other videos as well because it's free English class. Every episode in this channel, it's just free English class. Just like this one, just like previous one, and just like the next one. So yeah, thank you. Make sure to subscribe me if you're watching this episode and just haven't followed me before. So yay, subscribe me. Hey, this is Majid. MJ is here and love you and thank you for watching till the end. And yeah, that was the first episode that I'm just recording like this and I don't know what to say. So have a great day or night. Love you. Bye.